In the UK, we say, I'm so angry.
I'm so angry.
Hello. My name is Harry and I'm from the UK.
Hola, mi nombre es Claudia y soy de España.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Soledad et je suis française.
Hallo, ich bin Elena und komme aus Deutschland.
In the UK, we say, how are you?
How are you?
How are you?
Or, how are you?
How are you?
How are you?
What's the difference? Like, it depends maybe on the place.
Yeah, I'd be like, oh, hi, how are you? Or like, hey, how are you?
In Spain we say ¿qué tal? Or we can also say ¿cómo estás? It's like more polite. ¿Cómo estás? is polite. And ¿qué tal? is like more friendly, like what's up? Kind of.
In French, we say comment vas-tu, which is really similar to comment estás.
¿Cómo vas tú?
In Germany, we say wie geht's?
Oh? It's like an announcement. Big eat, try it.
That's also more like the friendlier version, like when people you're a little bit closer with wie geht's. Longer, more formal version would be wie geht es dir?
Wow.
Wie geht es dir?
But it's funny though, because you sort of said like, how's it? You said, like, comment vas-tu? But we can also say, how's it going? How are you?
Yeah.
That's English. In the UK, we say, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice
We
to
can say nice to meet you. Like there are two pronunciations.
Yeah, oh, nice to meet you. No,
Nice to meet you.
That sounds right.
Nice to meet you.
that's not a thing. No, I'll take it back. No, yeah, just, oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you.
In Spain we say encantada de conocerte o encantado de conocerte, depending if it's a male or female. Encantado, encantada. We also can say un placer, like it's a pleasure.
Oh, yeah.
Like it depends.
In France, we say enchanté.
Oh, yes.
Enchanté.
Enchanté.
Yeah, directly.
Like that,
Enchanté.
Like,
Take my hand.
Kiss on my head. In German, we say es freut mich, dich kennenzulernen.
No way.
that's really
By
long.
that time, the person is already gone.
It's muy italiano.
Oh, yeah, in
Oh,
French
actually, we
it's-
do have it too, yeah. It's like if it's longer, then in French we would say enchanté de vous rencontrer.
Wow. It's a pleasure that I found you.
Yeah. Pleasure to meet you.
To meet you.
Yeah.
I find you.
In the UK, we say, nonsense.
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 But nonsense, exactly what is the meaning of nonsense?
Like you're saying something.
It doesn't make
It
any
doesn't
sense.
make sense.
Or it's just not true, or just kind of stupid.
So maybe in French we say n'importe quoi, or maybe we just like kind of exclaim like
In Spain, we say ¿qué va? Or we can also say ¿cómo? ¿Cómo?
comment.
¿Cómo?
And in French we also have few versions, and the translation would be n'importe quoi. But we can also, when you're surprised, you say comment, which is really similar to comment. Actually, it's thanks to you. You just said it, and I was like, oh, we say the same in French.
But it's ¿cómo? Or ¿cómo?
Comment.
¿Cómo?
Yeah, like surprise. Comment.
¿Cómo?
In German, we say Unsinn.
Unsinn.
Or Quatsch with both ears.
Like Quatsch. That's.
Unsinn.
Is it rude? Is it like bullshit?
No, it's kind of a cute way to say bullshit. Yeah, it's-
Quatsch sounds like a
Yeah, Quatsch.
swear word.
Oh no, Quatsch is like even elementary school students or kindergarten students will know just yeah, just nonsense.
Okay.
Nonsense.
In the UK, we say, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
But if you're like, they're doing something stupid, you're like, what are you doing?
What are you doing? In Spain, we say ¿qué haces? O ¿qué estás haciendo?
¿Qué estás haciendo?
Muy bien, I'm so cute. ¿Qué estás haciendo?
In French we say qu'est-ce que tu fais? When it's like you're curious about it. When you're surprised or you don't understand, you're like qu'est-ce que tu fais?
Qu'est-ce que tu fais?
In Germany we say was machst du?
Was machst du?
Why doesn't sound like a question?
Was machst du? Oh, that's if you're more, yeah.
In the UK, we say, I'm so angry.
I'm so angry. In Spain, we say estoy enfadada o estoy enfadado.
In French we say je suis énervé. Je suis énervé.
In Germany we say ich bin so wütend.
Ich bin so wütend.
In the UK, we say, you have beautiful eyes.
You have beautiful eyes.
So shameful.
Can you close your eyes? Tienes unos ojos muy bonitos.
In French, we say tu as de très beaux yeux or tu as de très jolis yeux. Tu as de très jolis yeux.
In Germany, we say du hast wunderschöne Augen.
Do it one more time.
Du hast wunderschöne Augen.
Oh, thanks.
Danke.
Danke. Yeah, in the UK we say, please leave me alone. I'm kidding.
And it's my turn to tell it to you. In Spain we say, déjame en paz.
Oh, that sounds strong. In French, we say laisse-moi tranquille.
Oh, laisse-moi tranquille.
Oh, a really nice gesture.
In Germany, we say lass mich in Ruhe.
Laisse mich en Ruhe.
Actually, the same like Ruhe is
It's
also
like
like
peace.
peace,
Yeah.
quiet, peace and quiet. So yeah, leave me be in peace. Leave me be in quiet.
We have that in English as well. It's like, please leave me in peace.
Ah.
But to be honest, I don't think if it was like, if there was someone trying to flirt with you and you were like, you probably wouldn't say leave me in peace. Just like, in the UK we say, I love you with all my heart.
In Spain we say, te amo con todo mi corazón.
In French, we say je t'aime de tout mon cœur.
Oh, je t'aime de tout mon cœur.
In Germany, we say ich liebe dich von ganzem Herzen.
Oh, it's beautiful. It's liebe dich
Von ganzem
von
Herzen.
ganzem Herzen.
Ich liebe dich von ganzem Herzen. In the UK we say, will you marry me?
Will you marry me? In Spain we say, ¿te quieres casar conmigo?
Casar is marrying.
Casar is marry.
In French, we say veux-tu m'épouser?
Oh, veux-tu
Veux-tu m'épouser? Épouser is like marrying, but it's also similar to spouse, which is like époux.
That's cute. In Germany, we say willst du mich heiraten?
German is so difficult.
So this is will.
Or yeah,
Really difficult.
romantic. Like different from what I expected. I think French and German and also Spanish had more similarities than, for example, German and English with the overall sentence structure. So yeah, I learned a lot of cool things today.
Yeah. I think like in the words, like the just not the sentence, just the words. Like Germany and France, it's so similar.
Yeah.
But when we are talking about long sentence, it's like really completely
Different,
the same.
yeah.
It's interesting because in the UK often they say like of European languages for English people, Spanish is like the easiest one to learn. For me, I sort of found like the Spanish difficult to me to like get my head around.
But you're like you're good. Like you say good. It just
Today we compared some pronunciations of different European countries' languages.
And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and like and subscribe.
Bye bye!
Adios!
Tschüss!